today we're gonna take a look at the GoPro Hero 11 Black and make a small unboxing. And this is the special bundle, as you can see here. So I got some extra equipment, as you can see here. So this just gonna open, and then I bought some pencil glass for the screens and the lens and the screen behind. And then when I bought this, I got this micro SD card with for free. So here you got it. This is the case where you have all your equipment. So here you got some papers, and I'm already a subscriber. And then here it says how to take the battery in, how to charge, and how to power on, and how to take videos and record. Here you got some stickers and best tips for the cold weather, because in the Hero 11 then they give us the new Enduro batteries. As you can see here, we got this white instead. Normally it's blue on the 10, and this is some batteries that are better in the cold. So yes, and those we got two of because we have the bundle edition, as you can see here, 1, 2. And then we got the clip here that you can just clip onto something. For example, we can take this, and then it just sits right on there. Very cool. Then I took these out. This is a stand for the GoPro, and here you got this where you can put it on a helmet, because this one is the curved one, so you can put it on a helmet. So, and now you got this lock one up here, rubber thing. Then just take it up, and then you push it in like that, and then you press it down again. I just need to say click, and then you press it down again, and now it's locked, so now it can't come out. So the next thing we got here is the handler. So yeah, and this one is when you're out in the water, then if you drop it, then this will go up in the top of the water because there's air in here, and then this will pop up and down from the water so you can see it. Then we got this one. This is a head strap. I already got one, so we're not gonna open this one because then it just can be small and compact until I need it. Then down here we got a cable and two of these screw things, because we need to have to the head one, and we need to have it to the clip one, and then also to this one. Yeah, there's two with. Then we got the charging cable. Here just got the normal USB-A to the USB-C. And now finally the camera itself. I actually got the GoPro Hero 3, we just can compare it to. So here we got the GoPro Hero 3 White Edition, and you can see there has been a very big change. It actually got a lot bigger. So yeah, and as I said, I have bought these pencil glass to put on. So now we got all the pencil glass on. So before we can turn on the camera, we need to put a battery in and the SD card. So I think that we will start with opening the SD card. So the way you opening this is where the battery and where it charge and the SD card goes. You take this one, you pull it out, it's a bit strong. It is sponge that is in, so you can see when I pull it out, it just pulls right back in. So, and if you flip it too much back over, then it comes off, because there are some times where, for example, you can get this in with another one where you can still access the charging port, and it's very easy just to put on again. Now it's on again. So let's start putting the SD card in, and that we just do in the slot right there. Just like that. And then we take one of the batteries, and it's gonna be like this. Just like that. And then you can just press down on this, and then it clicks in. So let's go and turn this on. Oh, there's power. So here we see the camera, GoPro. So now I need to take my phone, and you need to have the app from GoPro. It's called Quick, and then you can see here. So, but first we need to choose the language, and here just choose English, and we just agree, and we want the GPS check, because then if you are out and skiing, then you can go home and edit, and then you can get all the location, speed, all that stuff. So if we now connect the GoPro, then it's gonna load, and we found your GoPro, and then we just hit connect. Bluetooth pairing. This, and we just, here you can see it ask if you want to pair, and just say pair, and then you got 2 beeps, and then it is connected here. You can see swipe down to change to Pro mode in the dashboard, and then just hit try again because we were too slow. Now it says connected. So instead of calling it my GoPro, then I will call it my real name. And then it says let's install your update. Then we're just gonna hit continue, update camera. So now it's done updating. All set. Your camera software was updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features.